She's like, I have to think about that one. Yep.
Yes!
Nice.
Girl.
Yes, there's 4.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
This is the only one that I actually know where it is, so it's an adventure for everyone.
Well, where she showed interest, there's something over there.
I figured there's something over there. Okay, where else?
I went too far.
Good girl. Where is it? Alert?
Yes.
Yes, good girl. What's it? See it? There. Ah. All right. Where else? Where is it?
So, yeah, there you go. Good. And now kind of go back that direction with her. Good. Good. Now she needs to climb a little. There she goes. Yay. Can you tell that difference when she got to it?
Oh, I see it.
She kind of wasn't doing the like side-eyed kind of like maybe. And then when she got it, she was like, oh, there it is.
Where else?
Your last one's down this way.
Good girl. Where else?
And so she showed interest in this chair. It's not in the chair, but it's going there. Good. And then don't go too far that way because we can get to the tub. Good. Yep.
Yes!
Yay,
Good
good
job.
girl.
I had no idea until I saw the big green thing. Good job.
I kind of like hides like that because then the dog shows you enough behavior that you then look there and go, oh, there it's it.